If you're looking for a crockpot chicken recipe that is low in carbs, sugar-free, and is packed full of flavorful ingredients, then you are going to want to keep watching this video. Friends, it's Kelly and welcome back to Mama Needs a Goal. Thank you so much for joining me today, and if you're new here, welcome. Friends, finally, after like 2 weeks, I think, the sun is shining. I am so excited. I am in a much better mood now too. But anyway, today I am sharing another crockpot recipe with you. This recipe is delicious for everyone. The kids are gonna love it, and the best part about it is keto diabetic friendly, and it is not lacking in any flavor whatsoever. It is just packed full of flavorful ingredients, and you will never know that it's healthy for you too. So I'm going to stop talking, go over all the ingredients, and then we're going to dive right on in. All right, my friends, so I have some paprika, parsley, table salt, 4 boneless skinless chicken breasts. I did pat them dry on both sides, red pepper flakes, minced garlic, lemon juice, olive oil, oregano, 1 medium-sized onion, some reduced sodium chicken broth, 1 lemon, and some black pepper. And friends, that is all the ingredients we'll be using. Friends, told you, lots of delicious ingredients. It's going to be packed full of flavor. Let's now dive in and get this made. All right, my friends, so I have my chicken breast here. I'm going to go ahead and just spray it a little bit with some olive oil. Now, I'm going to put the recipe in the description box because I don't measure this stuff out when I'm seasoning my chicken. I just usually just sprinkle it on, but I will have the exact measurements for you if you don't want to do it this way. I just find it's easier. It is what it is. Alrighty. Salt, you definitely got to be a little bit careful with because my salt thing is... There we go. And pepper. Ready? Then we're going to go ahead and flip this over. And like I said, when I was showing you what my ingredients were, I did pat this dry just to help, you know, for it all to adhere. Salt. Whoa, that was a lot. That's why I don't do that. That one. I could have used a regular shaker, I guess. Pepper. Paprika. And some oregano. You could add some parsley at this point or just add it at the end. It does not matter. Alrighty, now let's go ahead and move over to our crock pot. Alright, my friends, I had chopped up my onion and my lemon. I sliced that up. So I'm going to go ahead and put my onion on the bottom. That in there. Just break it up a little bit. And now we're going to go ahead and lay our chicken on top of the onion. Just like that. And I like to rotate my chicken. Skinny side, fat side, the fatter side, the skinnier side, or the wider side, I should say. Just so. Gives you a little bit more room. Oh, it didn't. There we go. Alrighty. Alright, my friends, now I'm going to go ahead and add in a little bit of red pepper flakes. This is optional. You do not need to do this, but I love to give it a little bit of a kick. And then we're going to add in 4 garlic cloves. I should have put this down, actually, before I put the chicken in. I forgot, so I'm just kind of adding it now. Okay. Where did I put my fork? There it goes. So I'm just going to spread that around just a little bit. Okay. Alrighty. Now I'm gonna add in a half a cup of chicken broth. And now we're gonna add in 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. Okay. And then we're gonna go ahead and put our lemons right on top of our chicken. All right, friends, there we have it. Now let me just clean up and then we'll go ahead and turn this on. All right, my friends, so we're gonna go ahead and put this on low. You can put it on between 4 to 5 hours, or you can put it on high 2 to 3 hours. So we'll come back after it's done and we'll do our taste test. All right, my friends, it's ready. It smells delicious. Sprinkle a little parsley. You can smell the lemon. All right, I'm gonna go ahead, put this out on a plate, and then we'll do our taste test. All right, friends, I got all fancy for tonight. What do you think of that? I'll show a close-up at the end. So let me put a piece on my plate and I'll do a taste test. But I couldn't resist, I had to get all fancy. All right, my friends, here is a piece of it. I didn't even need a knife, it broke right off. Oops. I'm getting a little bit of everything. The red pepper flakes, very strong. The lemon. I definitely think this could have gone less time because I feel like the center's dried out a little bit. So I think a little too long as far as time goes. But other than that, you're tasting a little bit of everything in here. But I definitely think it got dried out. It cooked way too long for as thin as my... Now, if you're having much thicker chicken breast, obviously, but my chicken breasts were not that thick, so I think they got a little bit dried out on the time. So I'll make note of that in the description box when I post the recipe, so you all know. Don't cook it quite as long if that's the case. But those red hot pepper flakes, you can taste them, believe it or not. You can omit them, you do not have to add them in, absolutely not. But overall, I really enjoy it. Like I said, it's a little bit too dry for me. Not that I can't eat it, don't get me wrong, but it's a little bit too dry. So the cooking time definitely needs to be adjusted. But other than that, friends, it's delicious. All right, my friends, so that'll do it for today. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget, go ahead, hit that little subscribe button, as it does greatly help me out. Also, please check me out over on Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, Twitter, and TikTok, as I am active on those social media sites as well. So friends, thanks so much, and I'll catch up with you next time. Bye.